Welcome to Inside the Process. Today we're following sweet corn from harvest to your table. Let's see how it all begins.
It starts here in the fields, where corn reaches peak sweetness. Workers check for perfect ripeness before harvesting begins. Specialized harvesters cut the corn at the base. The machine strips the ears from the stalks efficiently. Inside the harvester, corn ears are separated from stalks. Only the prime ears continue forward on the belt.
The ears collect in large bins attached to the harvester. Each bin holds hundreds of pounds of fresh corn. When bins are full, the harvester transfers corn to transport trucks. This happens right in the field for freshness. Hundreds of corn ears pour into the truck bed. Speed is critical to preserve natural sweetness.
The loaded truck travels immediately to the processing plant. The journey takes just minutes to maintain quality.
The truck arrives at the receiving area. Here's where the factory process officially begins. Workers guide the truck to the unloading station. Fresh corn is transferred within minutes of arrival.
The truck bed tilts, and corn flows into receiving hoppers. Workers ensure smooth transfer without damage.
A conveyor system starts moving the corn forward. The first stage is removing the outer husks. High-pressure water jets clean every corn ear completely. All silk and residue wash away instantly.
Mechanical rollers strip away the green husks automatically. The husks drop below while corn continues ahead.
Workers inspect each ear carefully. Only the best quality corn moves to processing.
After husking, the corn ears are exposed. Next, they need thorough washing.
Precision blades cut kernels from the cobs efficiently. The kernels fall, while cobs exit separately. Fresh cut kernels collect in sanitary stainless steel tanks. The sweet corn is now ready for blanching.
Corn kernels pass through boiling water for blanching. This preserves color, texture, and natural sweetness.
The blanching process takes just 90 seconds. It stops enzyme activity that causes quality loss.
Immediately after blanching, corn is rapidly cooled down. This locks in texture and prevents overcooking.
Excess water drains away through perforated belts. Air blowers remove surface moisture completely.
Every batch passes through metal detectors first. This ensures absolute product safety before packaging. Automated fillers portion exact amounts of sweet corn. Each can receives precisely 340 grams. Silver lids seal each can immediately after filling. The seal keeps corn fresh and secure.
Labels wrap around each can showing product details. Branding and nutritional facts are clearly printed.
Workers pack approved cans into cardboard boxes. Each shipping box holds exactly 12 units. Dividers inside each box prevent cans from shifting. This protects them during transportation completely.
Box tops are folded and taped securely. Clear packing tape ensures boxes stay sealed shut.
Every box is automatically weighed for accuracy. This verifies correct contents before final labeling. Manufacturing dates and batch codes print on boxes. Traceability information ensures quality control throughout distribution. Barcode labels are printed and applied automatically. Scanners verify readability before boxes move forward.
Boxes collect at the palletizing station temporarily. Workers organize them for optimal pallet arrangement.
A robotic palletizer builds stable layers automatically. Each layer contains 16 boxes arranged perfectly. Layers stack on top of each other securely. The pattern repeats until reaching full height. Each pallet holds 5 layers, or 80 boxes total. A protective sheet covers the top layer. Workers wrap completed pallets in clear stretch film. This stabilizes the load for safe transportation. Multiple layers of film wrap around completely. the entire pallet becomes one solid, stable unit. The film is secured tightly at the top. Wrapped pallets are now ready for warehouse storage. Forklifts transport pallets to designated storage zones. The warehouse organizes products by batch codes. Digital systems track all inventory in real time. Staff know exactly what's available for shipment. When orders arrive, specific pallets are selected. Barcodes match orders to ensure accuracy completely. Retrieved pallets move to the outbound shipping area. Multiple trucks load simultaneously at different docks. Delivery trucks wait at numbered loading docks. Each truck serves specific distribution routes daily. Workers guide forklifts into trailers safely. Precise positioning prevents damage during loading operations. Multiple pallets from the same order load together. This keeps products organized for delivery efficiency. Loaded pallets are secured with heavy straps. This prevents shifting during highway transportation trips. Workers verify all items match shipping manifests. Every pallet is checked before trailers seal. Paperwork confirms the load is complete and correct. Now the trailer can be sealed shut. Tampering hasn't occurred. Each seal has a unique tracking number. Receivers verify seal integrity upon delivery arrival. Drivers inspect vehicles before departing facilities. Safety checks include tires, lights, and connections. Drivers follow GPS-planned routes to destinations. Navigation ensures fastest and most efficient delivery. Digital systems track trucks throughout their entire journey. Customers know exactly when deliveries will arrive. The fully loaded truck departs the facility. Sweet corn is now heading to distribution centers. Trucks travel on major highways toward retailers. Most deliveries reach destinations within 24 hours. Climate in the sealed trailer protects product quality. Sweet corn stays fresh during the journey. The truck exits toward its destination facility. Distribution centers receive and sort for retailers. Security verifies seal integrity and shipment details. Only authorized deliveries enter the distribution center. Once verified, trucks receive assigned dock numbers. The system guides drivers to correct locations. Workers remove seals and open trailers carefully. Unloading begins within minutes of truck arrival. Products move into the distribution center's inventory system. From here, they'll ship to retail stores.
Sweet corn waits briefly before shipping to stores. Most products dispatch to retailers within hours.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.